In this video, we will show you how to replace your neutral safety switch on this Dodge Ram. This will be located under your vehicle on the driver's side of your transmission. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is locate the neutral safety switch on the driver's side of that transmission. You'll find that it has a 3-wire wiring harness leading to it. Let's disconnect this by squeezing in on that locking tab and pulling this out of place. A quick check for corrosion, and we can set this aside. Now the next thing that we'll do is use a thin wall 1-inch socket to remove this. Keep in mind there could be fluid inside this area. Make sure you have a collection bucket under here to catch it all so you can recycle it properly. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new neutral safety switch. You'll find with that switch, it came with a brand new gasket. We'll be taking this and putting it in place directly on the switch. Once you have that on there, we'll continue on to starting this into the transmission. We'll snug it up and then torque it to 25 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, we'll continue on to our wiring harness, making sure that we press this in, listen for a click, and make sure that it's secured. Get a nice click from that. We'll give it a tug. That feels good. The next thing you want to do while we're in this area is to ensure that you clean up all of your mess. Once you've done that, we'll make our way out from under the vehicle. Now up inside the engine compartment, along the passenger side firewall, we're going to be looking for the transmission dipstick. We'll take hold of that, pull it right out of here. The next thing you'll want to do is just give it a quick wipe. And then we'll be paying attention down at that far end. What we're looking for in this area is this little dot, and then the hatch is located just above it. While the vehicle is running and in the normal operating temperature, your transmission fluid should be someplace inside of these hatches. So what you would want to do is start up the vehicle, run it through all the gears, and let it get up to operating temperature, and then recheck that fluid level. If your fluid was low, which it should be since fluid did come out, use a funnel, and then use ATF plus 4. We'll pour it right down through that dipstick tube. While we're doing so, we want to make sure that we pause at approximately half a quart, and then check that fluid level. Continue this process until your fluid level is up to the perfect point on that hatch line. As I had mentioned, the truck should be running for this, but where you want to be is right up inside the hatches, exactly where I am. Once you're sure that the fluid level is full while you're at the normal operating temperature with the vehicle running, go ahead and put that dipstick back in place and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.